Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle.
Polo Life 1.0 TSI 95PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in this stunning, vibrant violet finish. This is a metallic finish and it looks absolutely remarkable. You have upgraded features like the rear tinted glass from the pillar. It's 65% tinted, offering a sportier look in my opinion. Power folding mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, and the 15-inch SX alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, offering a stylish look to the vehicle. A fairly spacious boot capacity, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed point at the back for rear child seats, making this a fantastic young family vehicle, and you also have USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display, but we'll touch on this soon. You can see we have the titanium black interior upholstery and an upgraded panoramic sunroof which offers a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for summer occasions. Over to the multifunction steering wheel offers access to the dashboard display, showing key information like your driving data, audio and your telephone. Over on the left hand side you have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, showing confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from. Clicking into navigation, you are prompted to purchase at additional cost. However, going into App Connect, we can access the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which essentially allows you to display your phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications, including Google Maps and Waze navigation, offering a much more confident driving experience. The car also incorporates the upgraded rear view camera as well, which does ensure confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, minimising the risk of damaging them whilst doing reversing manoeuvres. This is great for places like shopping centres, but traditionally it can be a little bit tight. Lastly, making our way into telephone, it enables us to make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth connectivity. Alternatively, you can do this through App Connect, but it's nice to know it's got its own native application.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to get yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.